Guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I am super excited to show you guys this week's new releases because we have 6 collections as well as 2 foil items and this week's wiggle. I am just so hyped. Oh, and then we have these 2 little guys too. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the wiggle first. I feel like I usually do this. Sorry that there's been no new videos recently. I am going to be filming them and posting them later. I've just been like very busy since the planner party. So I've been trying to catch up. But this is the wiggle for this week. I'm so excited about this. I think this might be the same foil or a similar foil to the April Mystery, which was a super popular foil. But it's obviously in like a full wiggle format. That wasn't in a full wiggle format. That was just kind of like a couple of items plus some deco pieces. So really love this. It's like a purpley pink glitter and I am obsessed. I'm going to try and do a video outside of this because I feel like you're going to be able to really see the dimension of the foil, but it is our normal clear foil color. You can kind of see it there, like all the different colors it goes through. It's very like pink and purple. I am obsessed with this. It goes with so many different things. Like, it's so pretty. I wish you guys can just like see it in real life, but I'm going to try and get a little bit of that color shift in there. I don't remember what we were gonna call this, maybe like purple sparkle or purple twinkle maybe. But this will be up Wednesday at noon Eastern. For all 6 pieces, it is $10, but you can purchase the items a la carte if you would like. I just love this so much, and this is up again Wednesday at noon Eastern. It does come down about an hour before new releases go up. Then the rest of these items will be available Friday at noon Eastern. So we do have some, let me find this older one, some foil releases this week. I wanted to keep them light just because we do have all of those kits coming out this week. Somebody mentioned on the SPC group that they are expecting, so congratulations. And I was like, oh, I should totally release the like pregnancy type stickers I have. So we do have kind of like, I think we have the, do we have the, pretty sure we have the, let me see if I can find them, the regular baby stickers in shop that are like not pregnancy related. Let me double check. Do we have them in the shop? Maybe not. Okay, if we don't have them in the shop, I thought we did. Do we not? Hold on. Okay, so I'm sorry if you guys can also hear things in the background. I'm filming during the day when people are working, but you know, that's okay. So this is the pregnancy one. So you have a lot of different things on here like ultrasounds, blood tests, maternity photo, gender reveal, it's a boy, it's a girl, it's twins, due date, pack hospital bag, newborn photos, things like that, all different kinds of stuff on here, and I'm just so excited. I think they're super cute. You can use like a character sticker that is like pregnant or something like that, or a baby character sticker, and then put this with it, and I just really love it. So that's gonna be the pregnancy bucket list. And then we did have this one in the J. Crew handwriting, but I've been kind of like moving everything towards this new handwriting, and it is so pretty. But this, or hand lettering, I'm sorry. But this is the like baby bucket list. So you have first steps, you have first word, first crawl, first haircut, first laugh, home from hospital, they're here, he's here, she's here. You have all different stuff on here, and I just love this. So this one's going to be the baby bucket list, I think we're gonna call it, and then this one will be the pregnancy bucket list. So that is the difference. So there are those 2. Glad I remembered that. And then we also have this one here, which you could totally use this if you wanted to as a week's countdown for something else. But this is kind of like mainly themed toward the weeks of pregnancy. So you have 4 weeks all the way to 42 weeks. So this will be great for marking the weeks that you are pregnant, again with like a little character sticker, or you could put it by itself. And then, like I said, also if you want to like count down weeks to something that you're like super excited for, you could also use like, let's say you're counting down Disney, you can use like a little castle sticker and then write 32 weeks till Disney or whatever you want to do with that. So those are going to be, I'll probably call these like pregnancy week countdowns or something. Then we do have 2 functional deco sheets. This is something new we've been doing, and well, we're doing now. And these are going to be kind of like just like doodles, I guess, but they're just like functional deco. So they are like deco pieces like you would find in our deco section of our kits, but they are more functional. So these ones are Halloween themed. So we have Halloween 1 and Halloween 2. So these are super cute, and they come in all different colors. So there's not the same sticker on every sheet, which is cool. Then there is this kit here, which is called Hello Pumpkin. This one is a mini kit exclusive. So let me go ahead and show you guys that. So this is the full boxes, just so you guys also know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, we did switch to a new logo, which I'm super excited about, and it's also on the website, and there's a lot of other cool new changes coming soon as well. So this is the full boxes. I love how modern this is with the buffalo check. That's that. You have your mini kit page, you have your functional page. I love the deco. We did also switch out the weekend banner, so let me go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. This is what the weekend banner looks like. I'll show you guys it on something a little more contrasting. And then you have the bottom washi, and again, we did switch out the date covers for that font as well, just so everything is pretty cohesive. And then this one's freebie is a tall box of another one of those girls holding a pumpkin in front of their face, which I thought was really, really cute. So that is Hello Pumpkin, and like I said, this will be a mini kit exclusive. We are still doing a unlimited stock on new releases for the first 24 hours. This is the 15mm strip. I did change this just to add this little piece here, just so it's easier for Emily and also for you guys to figure out which kit they go with, so it does match the rest of this. It matches the bottom washi page. And then you also have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler, and then also the option if you want to add on the label sampler. I just love the way the new logo looks. It looks super cute. The next one here I'm super excited about. You guys seem to be really hyped on it too. It is called Fall in the City. It also does come in a mini kit, which I won't show you since I already showed you a mini kit. And this one has the newer freebie in it. I've been trying to switch up freebies kind of a little bit more often. So this one is an ultimate kit, but like I said, it does also come in a mini kit, and it does have a lot of exclusive items, like this brick pattern in the background, these like art type pieces, the buildings in the background, the camera, and then this NYC cup is all exclusive, so you won't find those pieces anywhere else. And then I kind of mix and match with this newer art that TWG released, and I love the way this came out. I might be using this for the Wonton in a Million party. I just love the colors. I think they're so pretty. It was such a good color combo, and then it has the faux gold glitter throughout. That's your extra full box, which this is also exclusive. These are from our old New York City kit with TWG, and that's just like a little sign there. I love this so much. And you have your deco, and then the bottom washi. This was before we did the logo change, so it still has our old font on it, but it is the new freebie. So I changed out the freebie for these super cute munchkin heads, and I'll be changing out the bow color. This one has the faux gold glitter bows, which are super cute, but I just figured kind of switch it up. We've been doing some tall boxes. We've been doing some of the Andrea Munchkin freebies, which you will see in here, and then some of these little munchkin heads. Super cute, and you could definitely use those outside of this kit as well. There is also the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's also the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and there's also an option if you want to add on the label sampler. The next kit we have here is also another TWG kit, and this was a kit, art that came out last year, and I went ahead and reformatted the boxes a little bit. And last year I think it was only a mini kit exclusive, just because it came out a little bit later than a lot of our fall art was released, so we did that, but a lot of people wanted to see this come back this year as an ultimate kit. So you do have the other style freebie, which has Andrea Munchkins on it, and like I said, I did kind of revamp this a little bit, so this is the ultimate kit like I said, but it does also come in a mini kit. I love these colors, very like classic fall colors, and with the faux gold glitter throughout. And then you have a guy here with a little holding like a basket of apples. I love these colors so much. And then you have the deco page, and then the bottom washi, which I love. This was a hit for the bottom washi last year. You have the option if you would add on the 15mm strip. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and you also have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. Super cute. This is another one that I think would look really pretty with gold, but would also look really pretty with rose gold, or even like a mixed metal look would be pretty cool. So that is Autumn Lane. So that is the other kit that's coming out this week. Speaking of autumn, there is another kit here before we move into the two that have exclusive artwork, and this is called Autumn Love. Super cute, very like orangey and pink kind of vibes here. Again, with our new logo, so it has all of the new fixins in it. I think the new logo and stuff won't start on mystery kits until November, I think. I think November, because I was able to switch those before they're printed. So this is the Munchkin Head freebie there. These are the full boxes. My favorite thing is the Harry Potter book. I just think it's super, super cute. And also the cinnamon rolls. Oh, so cute. I love these colors, again, with the orange and the pink and the brown. Super pretty. You have your extra full box here. Oh, and then also on the newer format ones, I switched out the Payday with the same kind of type of lettering. And then there are also our 2 little cutout bows here in the same pattern as the check marks. So that's kind of like a little new addition as well. So let me go ahead and flip through this. Here's the weekend banner again. Super cute. And I will be coming out with foil ones that you can overlay on top that'll fit perfectly, and in the new format of the Wiggle, which will come out in about October, the weekend banner and that will also overlay over that perfectly as well. And then you have the bottom washi here with, again, the matching kind of font type thing in the date covers. So that is the ultimate kit of Autumn Love. There is also the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, if you want to add on the glitter headers, and also if you want to add on the label sampler. So that is called Autumn Love. I love this. Actually, another thing to note is I did switch out from the sneak. It had like a blue background, and I just switched it out to a pink background just because there is a little bit of blue like in there, but I just thought the pink kind of like made a little bit more sense, and I thought it like kind of looked cool with the pink sky. Again, another, I feel like it'd be a cute like early September kind of kit. Early September, late September, kind of transitioning from summer to fall. Then, well, no, I'll show you guys both these at the same time. So we do have 2 princess inspired kits this week. I'm really excited about both of these. One, Pocahontas is my favorite princess. Pocahontas and Mulan are my favorite princesses. And then also we have, well, this is called Colors of the Wind, and then this one is called Let It Go. And obviously wanted to do a Frozen inspired kit because the new movie is coming out. But I'm super hyped about the Colors of the Wind kit because, like I said, Pocahontas is my favorite princess. I just love Pocahontas, probably because I am part Native American, which I don't know if all of you know, but I am. So this is the kit. I love the colors in this. It is super pretty, and I love the raccoon. He's probably my favorite, but I love this girl. Like, I love her. Like, whenever the artist drew her, I was like, she's probably the best girl you've ever drawn, and I love her so much. So this is what the kit looks like, and then you have the little basket. I love her like gladiator sandals. And then again, this is prior to the reformat. Then you have a bunch of deco over here, and then you have the bottom washi, which is again those sunflowers, super cute. It does also come in a mini kit. There is an option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There is the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and there's also the option if you want to add on the labels sampler. I feel like I'm almost out of princesses. Not quite, because I have a few really good ones at the end. So I'm really excited about those. And then we're moving on to some other things that aren't necessarily princess related, but are quite magical. So that is called Colors of the Wind. And then last but not least, we do have Let It Go, which I am super excited about. You could totally use this just for winter, or you could, it does come in a mini kit, or you could use it for the movie coming out, or you could use it if you're going to Disney in like January. I think that'd be really cute. Or you can use it whenever you want. So this is the freebie here. It does also come in a mini kit, like I said. I love this kit. I love the scene. I love the girls' outfits. I'm always like, yeah, I want to show their hair and stuff, but like their outfits are usually like the most fire part, so I get so excited over the outfits. So here is the deco page. Again, this was prior even to the square boxes. This was made quite a long time ago. You have the sleigh, which I love. I love these colors. They're so pretty. I love the purple and the blues. Such like a good color scheme for winter. And then you have the bottom washi with all of that beautiful snow. You also have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and you have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. Fun fact, I was actually working on the full boxes for this kit in the delivery room whenever Reagan Kirsten, one of my employees and friends, baby was being born. So that's kind of super special. So that is everything for this week. Again, we do have Let It Go, which is a Frozen inspired kit. We have Pocahontas, which could not do a Pocahontas kit because I love Pocahontas. Then we also do have Autumn Love, which is a really pretty orangey autumn kind of kit. There's this one, which is more of a classic autumn colors, which is Autumn Lane. And then this one, which is like a fall, well, it's fall in the city because it's like fall in New York City, you know. But I think it'd be super cute just for regular fall. You don't have to be going to New York City or anything like that. And then also Hello Pumpkin, which is a mini kit exclusive, but really cool because it's super modern. There are these 2 sheets, which I didn't mention actually that we do unlimited stock on these items for 24 hours. And for the first 24 hours, I'm actually going to put these at $2 each. And then they'll go back up to the regular price of $2.95 whenever the unlimited stock is over. There's also going to be all these new baby stickers. So you have the Weeks ones, pregnancy bucket list, and then also the baby bucket list. Super, super cute. And then last but not least, we do have the wiggle this week, which is this gorgeous pinky purple sparkle. Love it. But I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.